Mrs. Bam. It's my life. And today we're going to be making homemade blueberry vegan muffins. So I'm super excited for this video. As you guys can see, I have upgraded my camera equipment and I'm super excited. Next are new lights. But I'm trying to get my life in the kitchen. So let's talk about what we're going to be needing for these vegan blueberry muffins. And they're gonna be big, y'all. They're gonna be giant. They're gonna be juicy. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump straight into the ingredients. So you're gonna need some all-purpose flour, some baking powder, not baking soda. Don't mix the two up, honey, because it's gonna go wrong. Some salt, some plant-based milk, butter, plant-based butter, country crock. And you're gonna need some blueberry muffins, a whole lot of them, like 2.5 cups fresh, boo. Some organic sugar, because I don't use regular white sugar anymore, because as you guys know, there are still animal products in that green lady sugar. And you're gonna need some applesauce to substitute the eggs. So when I put this video up on YouTube, I'm going to leave the non-vegan version and the vegan version. And if you are gluten-free, I'll let you know. Keep everything the same. Just change out the flour with the King Arthur gluten-free flour in the blue bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and get set up and we're gonna jump right into this video, okay? All right, loves, so we are back and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started with our ingredients. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the sugar. Then we're going to add in the butter. Yeah, I am loving this new camera. It is like 2:30 in the afternoon and I'm actually able to record in my kitchen. I know y'all can see the light coming in, but the camera is doing an excellent job and filtering it. Okay, I'm just super excited. So let's blend our butter and our sugar. Enjoying this new mixer that I got. It's by Black & Decker and it is awesome. So we've added in our applesauce. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our vanilla extract. Scrape the bowl down a little bit. All right, let's go. We got that all mixed in, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start mixing in our dry ingredients. We're going to add in our baking powder. Our baking powder and our salt. We're going to go ahead and move these out of the way to the sink. And we're going to go ahead and add in our flour and our milk. And we're going to break it up, half of the flour and half of the milk. Y'all, I am such a good mood today. I feel like singing, but I'm trying not to sing. But I know y'all like when I sing, so I'm about to hit that Isley Brothers. Ooh. the rest of the flour. Boo. And we're gonna add in the rest of the milk. And we're gonna blend. Done mixing everything up, we're going to fold our blueberries in. You do not want to use the blender, the hand mixer, when you're putting your blueberries in, because they will break up and bust. So what I like to do to keep my blueberries from like popping and busting a little bit, I like to stick them in the freezer and get a little bit of frozen, and then take them out about 15 to 20 minutes before I get ready to start mixing up my muffins. And what you want to do is, you don't want to stir, you want to fold the blueberries into the batter. Now you can use fresh blueberries, or you can use frozen ones from the freezer section. I like to use the fresh ones and just like put them in the freezer for a little bit. Like I said, I like so that they stay whole, and just keep folding them until you get all in there. Make sure you get to the bottom. Don't mix, just fold. You don't want no problems. You don't want your blueberries to bust. You want them to pop when you bite into that muffin. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get our pan set up. Grab our scooper. And we're going to get these ready to go into the oven. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I keep looking in the monitor because I cannot believe how good the quality is. And I'm hoping that this will improve the videos. And help get me to 15,000 by the end of March. So yeah, let's go ahead and get everything set up so that get these ready to go in the oven. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right, lambs. So we're back, and we're gonna start off by scooping in 1 scoop at a time, because these are big muffin pans right here. And I just wanted some big juicy muffins. Usually I do like 12, but I wanted something like huge. I want some big juicy muffins. So I'm going to do 2 scoops in each one. And believe it or not, guys, I actually have enough batter to do 1 more muffin. So once I get these out of the oven, well, maybe I can just split it up a little bit. That's what I do, because I want these to be huge. I want some big old juicy giant blueberry muffins. That's really what I'm going for, if we want to be honest. I want them to be huge and tasty. I just want a big, fat, juicy blueberry muffin. Like, you don't get that as a vegan. Like, you don't usually get big muffins. Like, take a little bit out of that one, a little bit out of that one, even them out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You usually just don't get a big, juicy muffin. And that is what I'm going for today. I want these muffins to be huge and fluffy and sexy. So make sure I knock all the air out of them, because these are some big muffin cups. Honey, sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. So this is some granulated sugar, vegan organic sugar. So it doesn't have any like bone fragments or anything in there. That's one thing I did not know. That not all sugar is created equal. I mean, I knew it wasn't created equal, but I didn't know it was that unequal. Okay, honey? So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and pop these in the oven. I will have the time for baking and the temperature down below in the description bar. But honey, let's get these little sexy mamas in the oven. Yes. Alright, loves. So we are back, and these are our blueberry muffins. They are bomb AF. Okay, so let me grab the rack, honey. And we're going to start taking them out. Look how big and luscious they are. I just needed y'all to see that. And they so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Why, Lord? Why? And that little sugar on them got them all crusty. Woo, child, this is live, okay? I would just like to thank all of the little people in the world who helped me learn how to bake. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just being petty. I'm just playing. No, but seriously, we're going to let these cool down. And then I'm going to break one open and I'm going to taste it. And we're going to take a couple pictures. And, you know, it's just going to be fabulous. Because they look delicious. Ooh. I did that. So, yeah, we're going to let these cool down for about another 10 or 15 minutes. And then we're going to come back and give it a taste. Get it how we live it. Alright, I'll see you guys back here in a second. So we are back and the muffins have cooled. I've put them on the rack. I've gotten some pictures. I already started eating, okay? Y'all, this muffin is stupid good. It's a vegan. I recommend using fresh blueberries. Honey, I recommend using fresh blueberries. Okay. There's no need to buy muffins when you can make your own. It's still warm. It's fresh. It's so fluffy. I was supposed to share this one with my husband. Ain't gonna make it. This muffin is so good. Oh, so you can make this into 12, or you can do 6 big stupid muffins like I did, or you can do 24 mini muffins. If you are gluten free, like I said, all you need to do is use the King Arthur gluten-free flour in the blue bag. It's already calculated to give you the same amount of flour ratio as the all-purpose flour. That's all you have to do. Oh my goodness. Another trick if you're vegan, it's so easy to take regular recipes and twist them to vegan recipes, okay? So what I did, this was a regular recipe, I just made it vegan, okay? I just used the Country Crock plant-based butter, okay? And I substituted out the applesauce. I substituted the eggs out for applesauce. And that was pretty much it. Most baked goods, you can switch up the recipe. All I'm doing is really just switching out the fats. For the most part, what most people don't even realize is that all, I want to say about 98% of baked goods are vegetarian. So with the technology and all of these plant-based butters and applesauce and eggs and flax eggs and chia eggs, you can really take a recipe and basically switch it up. Basically. So if you want to substitute 1 egg, it's 1/4 of a cup of applesauce, or 2 tablespoons chia seed and 3 tablespoons of water. I have to write that one down. I'll just put it right here for egg and applesauce. It'll be right here. Okay, so basically you can take any recipe and make it vegan. Sometimes I don't really like the vegan recipes because I feel like they be doing too much extra. So usually I just play with the recipe. If I don't like it, a vegan style of a recipe, then I'll go back and find an original one, honey, and switch that sucker up. And boom, there you go. Anyway, let me get on off here because your girl is tired. I got some more videos to do. And I'm just super excited to be back in the kitchen in front of the camera. I love my new camera. Everything is looking great. I'm super excited. So, yes, I love you guys. Remember to check on your people. Remember, food is love. Still, even healthy food is love. And remember to check on your soldiers and your first responders. And just see how they're doing, because a lot of times people forget that they still have a lot going on. They have a work life and they have a home life, and it can get a little stressful, and they need some extra hugs and love, okay? So check on your people. I love you guys, and have a blessed day, or whenever y'all see this video. Thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Please help me get to 15,000 subscribers by the end of March. That's what your girl is trying to do, okay? We're gonna see if YouTube do it for us, okay? I'll take 20,000. I'm gonna take the rest of this muffin dough and get my life.